Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing a fascinating and innovative tool known as the Shiba Anime AI Artwork Generator. This tool utilizes cutting-edge artificial intelligence technology to generate stunning anime-style artwork from a simple text prompt. It's an app that is perfect for creative individuals looking to express themselves through the medium of art. The app comes equipped with an intuitive and user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for both seasoned digital artists and beginners to use. Simply provide a description of the scene you want to create and watch as the AI generates an amazing artwork that captures the essence of your description. One of the key features of the app is its advanced AI capabilities, which enable it to create a wide range of different styles and themes. From cute and whimsical to dark and edgy, the app can generate artwork that is both unique and expressive. It's perfect for a variety of different uses, including wallpapers, social media posts, and even custom merchandise. The AI engine is incredibly versatile and it can produce endless variations, making each piece of artwork truly unique. Additionally, the app is constantly learning and improving, which means that the artwork it generates will only get better and more accurate over time. But that's not all. The app also features a built-in digital wallet and NFT staking capabilities, which allow users to easily buy, sell, exchange, and rent their artwork. And with the in-app NFT marketplace, users can easily send and receive payments for their creations. Basically, the Shiba Anime AI Artwork Generator is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to express their creativity through art. With its advanced AI capabilities, intuitive interface, and in-app marketplace, it's the perfect all-in-one solution for artists looking to share their creations with the world. The NFT app is designed to make minting, trading, and staking NFTs simple and accessible to everyone. One of the standout features of this app is the minting fee distribution. 50% of the minting fee will be airdropped in $SHIB to NFT holders, while the other 50% will be used in $Shiba burn. This is a great way to incentivize users to hold on to their NFTs and also contribute to the community. The app has different pricing plans to cater to different users. The Diamond Hands plan requires a 5 BNB buy-in during the presale and provides unlimited credits, a verified profile, a virtual diamond credit card, and a weekly revenue share. On the other hand, the Golden Hands plan requires a 2 BNB buy-in during the presale and provides 100,000 credits, a verified profile, a virtual gold credit card, and a monthly revenue share. One of the best things about this app is that it has a 0% tax on buy-sell transactions, making it much more affordable for users to trade and invest in NFTs. The total supply of the token is 100 billion, with 30 billion allocated for the pre-sale, 18 billion for liquidity, and the rest allocated for development, marketing, CX listing, and staking. They also have a clear roadmap that outlines its development goals. In Phase 1, the focus is on website development, community building, and mobile app beta launch. Phase 2 involves contract deployment, contract audit, and team KYC. In Phase 3, the app will have a fair launch on Pink Sale, be listed on CMC and CG, and be listed on a CX. Phase 4 will see the launch of the NFT marketplace, wallet integration in the app, and a marketing push. In Phase 5, the app will receive updates and multi-chain integration in the mobile app wallet. Finally, Phase 6 will involve multi-chain integration in the NFT marketplace and API development. Overall, the NFT app is a great tool for anyone interested in NFTs. With its easy-to-use features, clear roadmap, and affordable pricing plans, it's definitely worth checking out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.